Welcome to the 8th tutorial on HTML. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your web page. First, create a folder on your desktop and place the image as well as your HTML code inside it. This way, you won't need to specify a location for the image. It will automatically be rendered when you add it to your HTML code. If you prefer to place the image in another location, just specify the directory where it's located. Let's go ahead and open your source code in VS Code. The first step is to create a header tag, as we did in the first couple of videos. Let's create a header for our image and call it castle, since there is a castle in the image. Next, create the paragraph tag to encapsulate everything. For an image, we use the img tag and specify the src attribute with the source of our image. In this case, it's just image.jpg, and since it's in the same directory as the source code, we don't need to specify a directory. You might be wondering why we don't need a closing img tag. The img tag is one of those tags that doesn't require a closing tag because it only contains the image. There's no other content like text that needs to go inside it. Let's go ahead and save this, render the page, and you should see your image along with the header, castle. That's how you insert an image into an HTML document. Now I'll show you how to resize an image. First, open the HTML document in your browser, and you'll notice a huge image that we just added in our HTML page. For a realistic website, you would want to change the image size. Reopen the HTML file. Between the angle bracket and the ending quote, add a parameter called width, and set it to 200 pixels in quotes. Also, add a height attribute and set it to 100 pixels. Save the file. Reopen it in the browser, and you'll see the image is now smaller. You can adjust the size as needed. It's important to note that the resizing is done within the browser. The original image is sent in its full size to the browser, which then resizes it. This can be a lot of overhead for a large image. For minor adjustments, use the width and height attributes. For extremely large images, reduce the size using an image editor like Microsoft Paint, so you don't need to add attributes in the HTML code. That's how resizing is done. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.